Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tally for inventory management. Tally is a powerful software providing real-time visibility into your stock levels. It helps you monitor inventory, set reorder points, and identify overstock or understock situations. Tally offers various valuation methods, such as FIFO and LIFO, for accurate financial reporting. This integration ensures your stock updates automatically with every transaction, streamlining business operations significantly. To begin managing inventory in Tally, first enable the inventory features within the F11 settings. Next, you will create stock groups to organize similar items, such as electronics or clothing. You also need to define units of measure, like NOS for numbers or PCS for pieces, to accurately quantify your stock. Finally, set up godowns or locations to manage inventory across different physical storage areas, ensuring comprehensive stock control. Once your basic setup is complete, you can start creating individual stock items. Each item needs a descriptive name, an optional alias, and a unit of measure. Assign these items to their respective stock groups, and for more granular control, use stock categories to classify them by attributes like size or color. Remember to enter the opening balance for any existing stock, including its quantity and rate, to ensure your inventory records are accurate from day one. Tally offers several advanced features to optimize your inventory management. You can set reorder levels to automatically prompt you when stock falls below a certain quantity, preventing shortages. For perishable goods, batch-wise tracking with manufacturing and expiry dates is crucial. Manufacturing businesses can use the Bill of Materials feature to define components for finished goods. Finally, leverage Tally's extensive inventory reports, like stock summary and aging analysis, for informed business decisions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.